Hello there. So recently, a lot of people are switching from WhatsApp, obviously Facebook Messenger, to apps like Telegram or Signal. So just recently, Pavel Durov, who is the founder of Telegram, and previously he was the founder of Russian social network Kontakte, announced that Telegram just crossed 500 million users. And they're growing super fast these days. So obviously, this growth boost was enabled after WhatsApp announced that it will be sharing more and more data with Facebook, and therefore a lot of people have like privacy concerns because one of the main reasons why people stick using WhatsApp is just because it kind of was more private and it was kind of a separate entity from all the like Facebook family of apps like Facebook and Instagram, which were already like much more integrated before. So yeah, but one of alternatives for WhatsApp is Telegram. So should you switch to Telegram? So let's just dive into it. I'm just reading the web here, just Quora website. So yeah, the main differences is that first, like Telegram just has much more like file sharing, and in terms of privacy, you can choose to create a secret chat. Of course, WhatsApp has end-to-end encryption, but on Telegram, you can just have a secret chat, and yeah, uh, and it also has encryption. Um, and some additional features such as bots and like more it's available on more platforms, so you can have Telegram client for your Mac, or use Telegram on the web easily, yeah, without additional tools. So these are like native tools from Telegram which you can use. Yeah, but of course, the main feature of Telegram is that it's not Facebook. So they just guarantee, I don't know, guarantee or don't, that data on Telegram won't be shared with Facebook. So that's probably why people are switching to Telegram and Signal, which is another app. Um, should you trust Telegram, especially if it was founded by a Russian programmer? Um, like so far seems it's proven to be is like with okay privacy and security. One of proofs of that is that maybe it's not a good example, that a lot of actually like crypto trading and all of that, and some even illegal activity is, so crypto is a good example, but a lot of like illegal groups and scams and probably even some crime in some countries is happening on Telegram, because Telegram refuses to share data with governments. And yeah, you had that example in Russia and all of that. So anyways, let's just dive into the Telegram app. I will show you how it works, the main features, and you just decide if you want to use Telegram or WhatsApp, or just stick to like traditional Facebook Messenger or whatever. I also did an overview about Signal app, so just check it out on my channel and just decide what you like more, Signal or Telegram. So here is Telegram app. It's not Telegraph. It's called Telegram Messenger right now. So here is the app. Um, it's free app, 86 megabyte size, and yeah, that's it. Just download it, and yeah, it's also available on the web and as a desktop app as well. So, but let's just focus on the iOS app, which is quite similar to Android. So how it works, basically here on the home screen you just have contacts. So these are the people you can add and you can chat to them. So for example, I added someone and I can do a message here. So to add someone, the easiest way is just to know the person username and then just add this person like this. So Telegram usernames are minimum 5 characters long. So you can just tap here and just start chatting and just select it. And then you can add to the contacts by tapping here in the bottom. So that's how you start chatting or adding contacts. You can also add plus here, add mobile number, and find someone by mobile number in Telegram. But the feature of Telegram is that you can have just contacts without phone numbers. So if you don't want to show a phone number for someone, you can just use Telegram, and that's kind of cool feature. So does that. You can also invite friends from your contact book, find people nearby. You can allow access here. So that's also another cool feature. And yeah, so in the chat, what you can do, you can attach photo, video, file, location, contact. You can send a voice message. Hello, hello. And I just send a voice message. I can send a video. Hey, 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 hey. And that's the video message in Telegram. I can attach stickers, GIFs. Something like that. And there are a lot of stickers here which you can just download, and there are like super cool sticker packs, and you can just add like some sticker pack, and yeah, and after that you'll be able to use it. So it appears here, and that's how. So that's a fun part about Telegram messaging, that there are a lot of these cool stickers which you can try out. Of course, this is not why people are using Telegram. The main feature is that it's secure and private. It's not sharing your data with any like big corporations, so like Facebook is itself. That's one of the reasons why people are jumping from WhatsApp. And then, for example, yeah, you can go to the contact, you send messages to, you can mute the contact here. Again, to do a call or video call, you can just tap these buttons here. Like video calling on Telegram is possible. It's fine, but it's not like advanced as in Zoom or Skype. So you can't share screen, you can't do like virtual backgrounds or like whiteboards, all of that. So that's just simple video or voice calling. That's it. Then you can share contacts, you can block user, and also you can start a secret chat. So that's amazing feature in Telegram. You can use end-to-end encryption, leave no trace on servers, have a self-destruct timer, and do not allow forwarding. So there you have it, and you can see the encryption key here. So that's that. That's basically how you start a secret chat. It will be marked with a lock icon. You can see all of your chats in the chats tab. And yeah, you can see your personal chats, but also the fun part about Telegram, that it has channels. So these channels are pretty popular. So that's how you can consume like content, different news and entertainment. And for a lot of people, it's just much easier to consume content right from Telegram Messenger, or compared, for example, to like reading on the websites. And like in some countries, like reading news from Telegram is more popular than, for example, Twitter. So to follow a channel in Telegram, whatever, you can just type news, for example. Here is the channel. So if it's the channel, you will see this join button in the very bottom, and then you can just tap join, and then you will receive notifications every time there is a new message here. and then you can mute as well. So you can see how many subscribers. You can share a link to a channel and just see recent media, and yeah, can also leave the channel. So there you have it. And then again, you will see all of that here. You can just mute, delete, pin, unread, and all of that. And then you can just see calls. So you can see all calls, missed calls. You can add it. So that's that. So the main feature, I guess, in Telegram that you can create this like secret chat. And for example, I'm recording a screen right now, and you will see that you took a screenshot notification in the bottom. So that's if you want some highly encrypted chat, like not highly, just like encrypted chat, Telegram is one of the ways to do that. I would definitely recommend that. You can also try Signal app as well, but that's how it looks in Telegram. And then there is like a video message, audio messaging. If you're trying video messaging, you will see in top part of your video call like 4 emojis. You need to check if these 4 emojis are the same on your recipient screen, like the person who receives the video call. If they are the same, it means that your like video connection is encrypted. So that's that. Yeah, by the way, you can set up after which time you want your message to self-destruct here. And then, yeah, another cool feature which I was told that you can just follow all these different channels and publications via Telegram and just get news from Telegram, not from Twitter, for example. Well, if you want to start your own channel, you can easily do that. So just start a new channel. You can start a new contact, add a contact, and you can create a group. So let's just create a group, just add your contacts. And then just you can easily create. You can have up to 200,000 members, chat history. So that's that. And then here is the group. You invited someone to the group, you can leave the group. You can start a group voice chat. You can see who are the administrators here. You can set like a overview of the group, add members. So there you have it. And then the last step is just your personal profile. You can set your username. You can set your profile picture or video. You can see your saved messages. What else? You can see recent calls. You can disable actually calls tab if you don't need it. Here you have all the devices where you have Telegram available. So as I told before, there is Telegram on the web. It works fine, just no video calls on web Telegram. Then there is desktop Telegram, works fine as well. Yeah, for Mac. I don't think they have something like for Windows. But anyways, if you're in one of these devices, you can just sign off just for security issues. You can also create chat folders. Here, then there's privacy and security. You can see all these settings. So all of that, there are a lot of privacy settings here. You can check out data storage. You can enable proxy. So yeah, I didn't try adding proxy here, but maybe it can be an issue. You can change your default browser. So all the settings just here. Then if you like dark mode, that's how you enable it here. You can also change like app icon easily. Language, you can see your stickers here. And then you can just reach out to Telegram support like here. So that's that. So I guess that's it. That's the app. It's another feature of this app is it's just like super simple interface. Nothing extraordinary. It feels super clean. Maybe like WhatsApp in the first day. So just what you need. It's cool design. There are no like extensive ads or anything. It just works. So that's that. These are the top tabs. Yeah, if you have any additional tips and tricks about this app, just leave in the comments below. Maybe it can be helpful for many people. If I missed something as well, just leave it in the comments. But hope it was just helpful. I hope this video was like got you some insights, especially for like first-time users of Telegram, for people who are switching from WhatsApp or Messenger to Telegram. This is how the app looks like. You can also consider Signal. I created a full video overview of Signal, so just search that on YouTube. But this is the app. Thanks for watching. Visit MrHack.io, like and subscribe.